extremely happy that we are going to learn the subject which will give you the ability to solve the problems of real life. If you can solve the problem of mathematics, that develops the ability to solve the problems of real life. So for that you should feel happy and you should have pleasant mind. So before we start the period, you feel that your mind is pleasant and you are in a very happy mood. And there should be confidence. Okay, let us start. It is 9:55. Now there are no more requests. So let us start. 51 students have joined. Keep the microphone on mute, everybody. I am doing the setting of the board. So within 1 minute, 2 minutes, you will see the board clearly. All of you can see the board clear? Yes. Yes. Now keep the microphone mute. Yes, keep the microphone mute. So last period we have started with, yes. Again somebody is not muting the microphone because of that disturbance is there. And again that disturbance is coming in the recording video. It is not good. You have to follow the instruction. You have to go as per the instruction which we are giving. So last period we have seen the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, then Indian place value system and international place value system. Today we will solve the problem based on those two, Indian place value system and international place value system. So write the question. Yes. It is clear. Question. Read the following number. Read the following numbers. Yes, right. Read the following numbers and write the expanded form. Read the expanded following numbers and write the expanded form. So first it is 43, 27, 56, 819. First 43, 27, 56, 819. First let me give you the list of the questions. Second 543, 296. Yes, right question also. 123. Second number 543, 296, 123. Third, yes, we have to solve this problem. Let us solve these two first, 1 and 2. Read the following numbers and write the expanded form of those numbers. First, 43, 27, 56, 819. Second, 543, 296, 123. If you see the first number, 43, 20, yes, no disturbance in between. 43, 27, 56, 819. In this first number, the first number is divided into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first number is written according to Indian system of numeration. The first number is written according to Indian system of numeration. The first number is written according to Indian system of numeration. Yes, mute the microphone. The first number is written, the first number is divided into 4 groups. Ones, then thousands, lakhs, crores. So the number is divided into 4 groups. So it is written in Indian system of numeration. Second number, it is divided into ones, thousands, then millions. So it is divided into 3 groups. So it is written in according to International System of Numeration. So we have to solve 1 and 2. All of you have written the question. If question is written, so let us solve the. Yes, let us solve the first one. Let us solve the first one. First number. We are given the first numbers. First one. We are given the first number. 43, 27, 56, 819. We are given this number and it is written according to Indian system of numeration. So I will write Indian place value system. Indian place value system we write because the number is written in Indian system of numeration. So I will write Indian. Yes, you have to write Indian place value system or Indian place value chart. No. Yes, you write SOLN, matlab solution. Solution 1. We are solving first one. 43, 27, 56, 819. It is divided into 4 groups. So it is written as per Indian system of numeration. For Indian system of numeration, I will place this number in the Indian place value chart. Now we make the Indian place value chart. We make the Indian place value chart. This is periods. This is periods. Then we have places. Place. So we have first ones. We have ones. Then we have thousands. Because the number is written as per Indian system of numeration, so we place this number in the Indian place value chart. Then we have lakhs. Then we have crores. Then once we have 3 digits. Once we have 3 digits. Is it clear? Ones, tens, 100. Then 1000, we have 1000. Then we have 10,000, 1000, 10,000. Then lakhs, we have 2 digits, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then crores, we have crore and 10 crores. Now we write down the digits. We write down the digits in this Indian place value chart. First it is 9 in ones place, 9, then 1, then 8, then 6, then 5, then 7, then 2, yes, no talking, then 3, then it is 4, yes. Please mute the microphone. Again today it will come in the recording. So next time your admission will not be there. Now you want to read this number. This number is written in according to Indian system of numeration because it is divided into 4 groups. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 4 groups. So I will write this number in Indian place value chart. Place this number in the Indian place value chart. Now let us start. Position of 4 is 10 crore. So these 2 digits 43. These 2 digits 43, they are in crores. So what you will read this as? This I will read as 43 crores. Yes, 43 crores. First we will read this 43 crores. Then these 2 digits 2 and 7, they are placed in lakhs. So this we read as 27 lakhs. 43 crores. 4 and 3, they are in crores column. So 43 crores. Then 2 and 7, they are in lakhs. And what is position of 2? Position of 2 is at 10 lakhs. So 43 crores, 27 lakhs, 27 lakhs, 27 lakhs. 43 crores, 27 lakhs. Then what is position of 5 and 6? 5 is at 10,000. 6 is at 1,000. So 5 and 6 they are in 1,000. Position of 5 is at 10. So 56,000. 56,000. 56. Alright, 56,000. Then 8 is at 100. So 800. 800. Now 800 and 19. So 800. Yes. 800. 819. 800. Right. 19. 819. So this number we read as 43 crores, 27 lakhs, 56,819. Yes. So this yes, no comment, no discussion. Still we have not completed. Please mute the microphone. Now you want to write after this I am writing there. Now you want to write expanded form. You want to write, you will write down. I will write expanded form of this number. So 43, 27, 56, 819. Now we want to write expanded form. So let us see, 4 is at which place? So this we write as 4 10 crores. 4 10 crores plus 3 1 crore. 3 1 crore plus, yes, no disturbance, plus 2 10 lakhs. 3 1 crore we write. Crore means 1 crore. Right, 3 1 crore plus 2 10 lakhs. 2 10 lakhs, yes. 2 10 lakhs. No disturbance, please mute the microphone. Plus 7 1 lakhs. 7 1 lakhs. Then, yes, 7 1 lakhs. Then 7 1 lakhs. Right, you have to write the expanded form. So 7 1 lakhs, yes. Now plus 7 1 lakhs plus 5 10,000, 5 10,000, 5 10,000 plus 6 1,000, 6 1,000, 6 1,000 plus 800, 8 100, 8 100, 8 100 plus 1/10, 1/10 plus 9 1. Mute the microphone, please. Otherwise today also it will come in the recording. So let us simplify further. So 4 10 crores. So after 4 there are how many digits? That much zeros it should have. So 4 into 10 crores. So after 4 there are how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 crore will have 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4 into 10 crores. 4 into 10 crores. Now, according to Indian system of numeration, first from right it will have 3, then it will have 2 digits, it will have 2 digits here, and then it is 10. Plus 3 into 1 crore. 3 into 1 crore. After this 3, there are how many digits? That much zero it should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, then 7 zeros. Now we put the comma 3, 2, 2. Plus 2, 10 lakhs. after 2 there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 lakhs will have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is as per Indian system of numeration, 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, plus 7 into 1 lakhs. So 7, after 7 there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lakh will have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the comma. Plus 6 1000 plus 6 1000. 6 into 1000. After 6 there are how many? Yes? 2 7. Now we'll write 5. Wait. 5 after 5 it is 5 10,000. So there are after 5 there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10,000 will have 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, then 2. We have to put the comma as per Indian system of numeration. You have to put the comma as per Indian system of numeration, because the given number is given in Indian system of numeration. So you have to use Indian place value system. Then 6 1000. So 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000, comma after 3 digits from right, plus 8 into 100, 2 zeros, plus 1 into tens. Mute the microphone. Plus 9 into 1s, 9 into 1. Now we simplify this. 4 into 10 crore will be 40 crores. 4 into 1 we multiply. 4 into 1 4. Then we put the zeros. 0 0 0 3 6 8 zeros. This 4 into 10 crore you have to multiply. 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Put the comma. 3 2 2 plus 3 into 1 crore. 1 crore has 7 zeros. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1 crore will be 3 crores. So 3 into 1 3. Then 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Put the comma as per Indian system of numeration. 3 2 2 plus, yes, board is very much clear, visible, plus 2 into 10 lakhs, plus 2 into 1 2, then 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Put the comma as per Indian system of numeration. Yes, you have to write, because you have to write the expanded form, and this last one is the expanded form, final. Plus 7 into 1 lakh, 7 into 1 lakh will be 7 lakh, 7 into 1 7. Then there are 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. We put the comma as per Indian system of numerations. Plus 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. There will be 50,000. 5 into 1 5. Then 4 zeros. We put the comma as per Indian system of numeration. 3 then 2. Plus 6 into 1000, that is 6,000. With 3 zeros, 6 into 1 6. We put the comma. as per Indian system of numeration 3 plus 8 into 100, 800 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 9 into 1, 9, and this is the expanded form. This last one, what we have written, yes, this is the expanded form of the given number. Just wait. Yes, last one you make the box. Last one you write that in the box. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of the number. So to write the expanded form of the number, first I will have placed that number in the Indian place value chart. From Indian place value chart, we have read that number, and from there we have found the expanded form. So reading as well as finding the expanded form. So before you start writing expanded form, first place the number in the Indian place value chart. If it is written as per Indian system of numeration. Yes, wait. Yes, let others also write. Yes. So all of you write fast. So you have to read, if it is given, if the number is given as per Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration means the entire number. This entire number is divided into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So this is Indian system of numeration number. So you have to write this number first in the Indian place value chart, and from there we write the expanded form. Yes. So let me give few problem. If it is done, let me give few problem for practice. The writing work is over. Yes, ask the doubt. Yes. Yes, this way only. No, you have to write as per this calculation. See, you have to write as per this calculation. Even if you write directly, red box, no problem, no marks will be cut. Is it clear? But this second last step must be shown. Is you can. No comment. Yes. Everybody has finished the writing work. This board work is over. Yes. Finish the writing, so that I can write few problem for practice. Yes, ask the doubt. Indian system of numeration. See, you have to see this. Indian system of numeration, this entire number is divided into 4 groups. This comma, this is one group, ones, this is thousand, this is lakhs, this is crore. So there are 4 groups. So wherever the number is divided into 4 groups, it is written in Indian system of numeration. Whenever number is divided into 3 groups, it is international system of numeration. So finish this writing work, students. Okay, write the no comment. Write the problem for practice. Write the problem for practice. So read the following numbers. Homework. Right. Yes, I am writing that. Homework. Read the following numbers. Read the following numbers. Read the following numbers. Homework. Read the following numbers and write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. Read the following numbers and write the expanded form. So let me mute the microphone, please. Everybody, mute the microphone. Yes. I am writing. In same class notebook you write, and then you will solve this in the homework book. First it is First it is 35, 67, 89, 194. Board is very much clear. I am able to see that. Right. Yes. Then 30. Yes. 20. A maths notebook, you have to write this whenever online class is going on. That you have to write in the maths notebook, class notebook. And whichever I am giving in the homework, that you have to write in the, copy it in the maths class notebook. School same online class notebook will do. Same online class notebook will work there in the class. For a school notebook is same as online class notebook. 9:30 now 4th. Yes. 7, 20. Yes, 45, 678. These are 4 numbers. Board is clear in my term. Let me write one more number. Yes, you have to make maths homework too. Otherwise, maths. See, one notebook will be maths online class notebook, and second will be online maths homework book. Yes. Single line book will do, because single line book will be convenient to write this. So single line book, take single line book. Now let me give the question. 40, comma 53, 20, 140. The board is very much clear in big writing. So see, yes, this much. See these 5 numbers, they are given. These 5 numbers, they are given in Indian system of numeration. So first you have to write down this number in the Indian place value chart. From Indian place value chart, you will read that number. You will write the reading, and after that reading, you will write the expanded form. So there are 5 numbers I had given. All are written. Yes. all are written as per Indian system of numeration. You have to write the expanded form. So next period we will see the international system of numeration. Next period only this much, 5 problems. And this homework you can send me in the WhatsApp personal number after solving image of that homework. Immediately I will give you the reply, correct or incorrect. So yes, so today we have seen the expanded form of Indian system. Next period will start international place value system in expanded form. Bye everybody, bye. Bye everybody. Take care.